Energy in an ecosystem flows from one organism to another through feeding relationships. This energy flow is essential for the survival of all living organisms and is typically represented in food chains and food pyramids. Trophic structure refers to the hierarchical levels in an ecosystem based on how energy is transferred from one organism to another through feeding relationships. These levels are known as trophic levels. Producers, or autotrophs, are organisms that make their own food using sunlight through photosynthesis or through chemical energy. They form the base of the food pyramid and supply energy to all other levels. Examples include plants, algae, and some bacteria. Primary consumers are herbivores, animals that feed on producers. They are the first group to consume energy from plants and transfer it to the next level of the food chain. Examples include insects, rabbits, antelope, and giraffes. Secondary consumers are carnivores or omnivores that eat herbivores. These organisms feed on primary consumers and are crucial for controlling the population of herbivores. Examples include snakes, birds of prey, and some small mammals. Tertiary consumers are top-level predators that feed on secondary consumers. These animals are usually the apex predators in their ecosystem with no natural predators. Examples include lions, eagles, and sharks. Decomposers play a unique role by breaking down dead organisms and organic matter from all trophic levels, returning nutrients to the soil for plants to reuse. Examples include bacteria, fungi, and earthworms. The primary source of energy in most ecosystems is sunlight. Producers capture solar energy through photosynthesis. Energy flows from producers to consumers in a one-way direction. Each time energy is transferred from one trophic level to another, some of it is lost as heat. This is due to processes like movement, respiration, and reproduction. Only about 10% of the energy at one trophic level is passed to the next level, while the remaining 90% is lost. An energy pyramid shows how energy decreases at each trophic level. The wide base represents the large amount of energy captured by producers, while the narrow top represents the limited energy available to top-level consumers. A biomass pyramid illustrates the total mass of living organisms, or biomass, at each trophic level. Like energy, biomass decreases as you move up the pyramid. A numbers pyramid shows the relative number of individual organisms at each trophic level. In most ecosystems, there are many producers and fewer top consumers. Energy moves through ecosystems via trophic levels, starting with producers and ending with top consumers. Energy is lost at each trophic level, usually through heat, which is why fewer organisms exist at higher trophic levels. Decomposers play an essential role by recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem.